trading $3 to $10, and we entered our trade on XAUSD. We entered our trade on XAUSD. Trust me, I told you that this chart is currently on a bullish momentum. It's currently in a bullish momentum. It's flipping, but I really started to start selling down, because if you look at this very point, you see what the price did here at this very point. That in this very point, that there's a very big rejection from here. Currently, does zoom in to show you what the price is currently doing here. So if you check this very point here, at this very zone, there's a very big rejection at this very zone here. There's a very big rejection there, and price have currently tapped into that zone. This is what I call sniper entry in trading. Price have currently tapped into that zone, and currently I'm expecting the trade to start dropping, because when the trade have reached the point that's selling, it can start creating some rejections. You get? And also, if you check here, there's also a gap here. Anytime you see a trade, this very gap, see this very gap there. You see this very gap here, this very gap here, and this app really making profit in trading. I've told you, trading is not about the money deposit. Instead, it's all about the strategy you're using to flip the very account. And currently, in this very trading today, I'll be taking $3 to $3,000 ASAP. We are doing this, and this is what we do in this channel. In this channel, we do go small accounts to something very massive. So currently, let me just show you what this price is currently doing here, because in this very channel, this channel is going to be very insane, because we posting the videos of everything, the challenge and everything, how we passing the very account, because I'm expecting the state to drop down massively, because gold have reached the essence to start dropping, and we're taking it on a gradual process. You see currently on this very account, you see now I traded the 0.01 lot size. This is our first trade for the day, and as we keep on making profits, we're increasing our lot size so that we can grow the account to something very massive. So guys, currently we're already making profit. We entered our first trade with lot size of 0.01 lot size, and currently as we're increasing our lot size, as we are growing our account to something massive, increasing our lot size, and currently we are floating up in $1.46 ASAP, floating in profit. In this channel, everything is pump and plain. As we trade this account from something very small to something very massive. That's what I see trading as, because if you're in a business, trading like a business of you depositing the amount of money, if you deposit small capital, you start flipping into something very massive. And these people depositing very big amount of money to trade Forex. I tell them that's not a trade. If you want to trade Forex, you could and if you want to deposit, at least you deposit, even if it's $1, $2, you start flipping into, you know the right strategy, you start flipping into something very massive, like I always do in my trades. Currently, if you go over to this channel, you see what the videos that do flip small account to something very massive. So currently, we're now up in $1.50 something in profit in this trade we took here. We are now up in $1 something in this trade. So currently from here, I'm expecting the trade to retest from this volume. I'm expecting the trade to retest to this very point here. I'm expecting the trade to retest to this very point, because when the trade reach here, currently will be in big profit. But currently, I'll try to be ending the trade and be entering. I'm increasing my losses. I'm entering more positions in this very trade. So currently I've closed up positions. We are now up in $4.64 ASAP. This is how we did it. So guys, we closed our first position in profit in $4.69 in profit ASAP. And let me be taking my next trade, because I've entered my next trade on this very account, because if you see what the price did here, you see the first trade we took here, first trade from here to here, that's the first trade we took. And currently, if you check what the price did, the price now broke this zone here. That my zone, I reached the price which they tested, and currently I've broken this zone. Currently, I'm entering a buy on the very trade. I'm entering a buy. I'm entering with 0.0172. I'm entering buys because I'm expecting the trade to buy further, because this price is going to buy further and reach this very zone, reach this very point here. The price will have to reach there before you can start your testing. So they'll be watching the trade and see how we can do something very massive, trading very account. I told you, the first trade you took went in profit. So all you're watching as this trade will go in profit ASAP, because one thing with trading, I've understood what the price is always doing. A lot of newbies in the trading, they will see this very trade, like this. They'll be like, okay, the trade will start selling down from here. But they don't know that the price is not doing it. That you see, we're already making profits, that the trade will not do like that. So you see why everything is happening here, pump and plan. We're already up in profit ASAP. As I'm talking, just be knowing, I'm showing you guys what the price is doing. I don't show you what price is doing before the price move. I tell you that this price are broken here, the price will start moving in a bullish momentum, and the price is doing as we see it, and we're already making profit in very trade. in the very trade. And this is the next challenge. This from $3 to $3,000 that we're doing the very account. We're taking the very account to something very massive. So we'll be watching the trades and see how good will make our life good years. You're watching the trade because so we do up in $5 ASAP, we do up in $5 in profit ASAP. So you'll be watching the trade, you'll be watching the trade because I'm expecting the trade to flip more higher and give me more profit in the very trade. I'm expecting the trade to flip more higher because this zone here is a very powerful zone that if the price can never retest from this zone. It must continue pushing further, push it. These two trades, I told you that in trading, the first trade I took, I used 0.01 lot size and I took the trade, and currently we are now up in 0.01 size. I used 0.02 lot size with the profit we made, and we are up in profit. You'll be watching the trade and see how we can something very massive. So guys, let's be watching the very trade because as the trade, I'm telling you, this trade must buy further. See, the trade is buying further gradually. In trading, you need to have patience and let's be watching the trade because once we trading, when you know where the trade is going to go, it's giving us keep profit, but it will move in that direction. You're going to reach that point I mapped out that the price must reach. You're going to buy further till that zone. You want to go there and grab the liquidity before it can start selling down to give other people more profits, but it's going to move and buy for the meantime. So they'll be watching this very trade because I'm betting the to buy more further and give me very big profit in this very trade that we took now. So guys, you see what the price trading did. The price started buying further and giving big profit ASAP. It have crossed the zone that we mapped out. I mapped out that zone. The price you read here, but price have passed there to show that the price bought further in my key zone and bought more higher. So and we're already up in profit. We're already up in $3 profit in this very trade that we took now. We have doubled the account. In many positions. Currently, I'm closing the positions because I'm about to sell I'm about to enter more trades and make key profit. Trades about to sell down massively. So guys, I'm going to be selling this GBUSD. I've seen a very nice trade here because I've seen a very nice trade here, and I'm going to be selling this GBUSD. I've entered 0.03 lot size. I'll be selling this trade. I'm going the trade to sell down massively. So we entered in $8.48 in our last day. So currently today we sold the trade now on DJPSD because currently I'm expecting the trade to start selling down from this zone because there's a very big rejection here because this very big rejection price which in the past we test book here. Currently we tested from here, but I'm new to definitely not reach here. They just start from the selling down massive. We'll be watching the trade and see how we can do something very massive. So guys, so you're watching the very trade. I'm expecting that trade to sell down, and you see we are a little bit drawdown, but the trade will sell down massively. So the trade will sell down massively. You're watching the very trade. I was almost almost getting a profit. You're watching the trade because I have high hopes because the trade is dropping down massively from my zone. See, the trade is not dropping down. You're seeing that rejection counter. The trade is selling, couldn't that selling count and started dropping down massively. We just as I map out the zone, my zones I keep pointing that the price must fail to break. The price must fail to break. It's already making very big profit in this very trade and already going to account to something very massive. We drop from this zone, so currently show you what the price is doing ASAP because in this channel everything here is pump and place. What the price did here, the price reached my zone and started dropping down massively. I told you that the price will drop, and currently we are up in almost $10 in this very trade. Almost up in $10 in this very trade. So currently see what the price is doing. The price is dropping down massively from $3 we started trading this account. We started going accounts from $3 and currently the price started dropping from my zone. I think that the price, if the price reach this zone, that it will start dropping massively, and see what the price is. The price is dropping down massively from here. The price is doing as you said, ASAP is dropping down massively. So currently I'm showing you some stuff here because from here price started dropping down massively. So currently I'm hoping the trade to drop more down and give me big profits. You'll be watching the trade and see how it will drop more down and give us huge profit in the very trade that we took now. That's why you're watching this trade. Yo guys, we are killing the market like no other. Come and see what the price did. I told you this zone and the price will reject from down. You see the price is dropping down from my zone. The price is dropping down massively. It's dropping down massively from my zone. It's dropping down massively. We'll be watching the trade because I want to flip this account to something massive. At least it's from $3 and we're currently up in $9.07 in this very trade from $3 account Trust me, in trading, deposit any amount you can afford and start flipping into something very massive. That's what I recommend in trading. That's why you'll be watching the trade, because I'm expecting this trade to start selling down massively from this zone. You see the price is starting to, let me say, those that are impatient to just start going off because of the price is starting to reject. I know that the price will break down and continue moving down in a bearish momentum. So currently be watching the trade, because you're about to move very high and flip the account to something massive. Today, I want to go the account from $3 to maybe $10 and above, but currently we're up in $9.31 and we have not reached that milestone. So currently we are up in, we're almost in just try and enter more positions. I've entered more position this day because I have no time to waste now. I've entered more sales. So currently I entered more sales. So they'll be watching the tape, because I want to just flip this account to something massive ASAP. We have no time to waste in this very trading, because trading is something that you can do, that is a lucrative something that you can do and be making profit in each and every trade you take. So currently from this point here, I'm expecting the trade to break this very zone here. See this very zone, I want the price to break this very zone here. There's a very big zone that the price must break. This price must break this zone, because this zone is like a fake out, because this fake out is what a lot of people thinking that this zone is on the key zone, but the price will break this zone because it must break it, because it's a fake out and it wants to confuse a lot of people with this zone. See that the price is starting to retest there. A lot of people saying that okay, the price will start moving in a bullish momentum. I've seen it. The price is not moving in a momentum. The price is moving down bearish. It's going down massively. So that's the reason why I entered my under trade in 0.0. You see, as I'm increasing my lot size, everything is, I'm currently up in 0.6 lot size. Let me see 0.06 lot size in this trade we took now. So let me turn this account to something massive. This account was from $3 and currently we're up in almost $10. So they'll be watching the tape, because I'm about to flip the account to something very, very massive. Really making profit in the second trade we took ASAP. Really making profit we took ASAP here. Everything here is pump and play, and see what the price is doing here. See currently we're currently up in $10, $10.03 ASAP. From this account was from $0.3 we started this trading account, and currently we're now up in $10 in this day one of trading this account. Currently I want to be closing the account in $10, so I've gotten enough money, and my next trade I'll be flipping the account from $10 to something very massive.